Hey, beach lover. Tonight, you're invited on a gentle journey along a quiet shoreline. A place where seashells collect like tiny messages from the ocean, and where every wave brings another offering waiting to be discovered. Let's begin by settling in, finding a comfortable position, lying down, maybe some pillows or a blanket, allowing your breath to soften, and letting your mind drift to the beach. Take in a long, slow breath, as if inhaling the salty ocean air, and exhale, releasing the day. Tonight, the beach is peaceful, a long stretch of pale sand touched by moonlight. The tide is low, and the water rests in gentle waves that slide up the shore, place a kiss upon the sand, and then slowly retreat. You step out onto the cool sand. It shifts softly beneath your feet, and before you, scattered like tiny treasures, are seashells, hundreds of them, glowing softly under the moon. Breathe in and out. You begin to walk slowly, each step unhurried, your eyes adjusting to the shimmering shells as they appear. A moonlit beach is the perfect place for shelling. Quiet, open, unrushed. You don't need to collect anything right away. You're here simply to explore, to let the shells speak to you. Our first discovery. A few steps ahead, a ripple of color catches your eye. You kneel down, letting your fingers sift through the cool grains of sand. There it is, a scallop shell, perfectly shaped, radiating outward like the rays of a sunrise. The shell's ridges are soft and worn from the waves, each ridge a tiny timeline of tides and storms and seasons. You turn it over in your hand, feeling the delicate grooves, the weight of it, light but full of stories. You imagine where it began, once home to a living creature that opened and closed its shell, like the slow rhythm of your own breath. Breathe in, breathe out. You tuck the scallop shell gently in your small canvas bag, a bag reserved for the treasures that you feel called to keep. The tide line. You continue along the shore, walking at the edge where the sand is firm and cool. This is the tide line, where the ocean leaves behind bits of its memory. Fragments of driftwood, seaweed like green ribbons, and shells in every shape and color. Some are tiny spirals, some are smooth clamshells, and some are broken, their stories incomplete but still beautiful. You reach down and pick up a piece of a conch shell. Only a fragment, but the colors swirl like soft coral and apricot. You hold it to your ear, and although it's just a piece, you almost hear the faint rush of the ocean, like a breath traveling across time. Breathing with the waves. You pause here, closing your eyes. The waves align with your breath. Inhale as the wave draws in. Exhale as it softens against the shore. Inhale. Exhale. As you breathe, your body loosens and the night settles deeper around you. As you slowly open your eyes, you notice something delightful, a narrow trail of olive shells. They shine like polished stones, small cylinders with gentle spirals. Olive shells are known for rolling and tumbling in the surf until they gleam like gemstones. You follow their trail, each one placed lovingly by the sea. Some people say shells like these are reminders of resilience, how movement and change can polish even the roughest edges. You choose one olive shell to keep, its surface smooth as glass, and place it into your bag. A rare find. Farther ahead, something almost glowing rests near the foam. You kneel again. It's a lightning whelk, long, spiraled, powerful, with ridges that twist clockwise, unique among shells. You roll your thumb along as it turns, feeling the spiraling path that once housed a creature with soft, deliberate movements. You bring the shell close, admiring the lightning streak patterns that earned its name. You hold it with reverence. Such shells are ancient teachers of patience and evolution. But tonight, you feel the shell is not meant to be taken. So you set it gently back down, right where the tide can reach it. A soft wave slides up as if thanking you. Shells as messages. You rise and walk again, relaxed, unhurried, letting each shell you pass reflect something back to you. A tiny coquina shell reminds you of playfulness. A pale moon shell whispers of mystery. A broken conch softens your heart, reminding you that beauty remains even in things imperfect. The beach teaches in small, gentle ways, one seashell at a time. Then you see it, something pale and round, half buried in the sand. You brush away the grains and a perfect sand dollar reveals itself. Its surface is like stone, yet delicate, with the familiar star-shaped pattern etched into its face. You lift it carefully, feeling its fragile strength. Many people believe a sand dollar is a symbol of peace, of inner harmony. Holding it, you feel a soft stillness moving through you. You breathe with it, deep and slow. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. This shell, you decide, is the one to keep as your reminder, the anchor of the night. You place it in your bag with quiet gratitude. shelling by moonlight. You walk on once more. The moon climbs higher, casting silver ribbons across the waves. Your footsteps are soft, your mind is calm, and the night feels infinite. Every few steps, you stop to look at another shell. Even if you don't pick it up, you appreciate it, admire it, honor it as part of this moment. Shelling, after all, is a practice of mindfulness. Not collecting, but noticing. A final discovery. As you near the end of the shoreline, the waves sound softer, as if they too are becoming sleepy. You see one last shell, a small spiral auger, its elegant twist sharp and precise. You turn it in your hand, watching the moonlight glide across its surface. You thank the ocean silently for its gifts tonight. You place the auger with the others, your little handful of moments, each one carrying a whisper of the sea. You turn back toward the place you began, walking slowly now, your breathing soft and steady. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. The waves continue their lullaby. Rhythmic, endless, comforting. Your footsteps grow lighter, slower. You feel ready to rest. The shells in your bag make a soft, gentle sound as they shift with your movement, a reminder of the peaceful night you shared with the sea. Thank you for wandering along the shoreline with me tonight. May the seashells you gathered, scallops, sand dollar, olive, whelk, continue to whisper calm into your dreams. As you drift towards sleep, may you carry the peace of the waves, the steadiness of the tide, and the quiet magic of the beach, wherever you are. Rest easy, and may the ocean cradle you gently through the night. The beach is speaking. Are you listening?